How to fix Spotify can't download on Spotify. Today guys, I have the solution how to fix and solve this problem. Just watch this video until the end. So let's start. So first you have to open the settings of your phone, then you have to go directly to apps or application, and here you will find all the application that you have on your phone. So what you should do, just search for Spotify only, and when you found it guys, just open it like this and go directly to storage. On storage, go to clear data and click OK, and go back and click on force stop and click OK. And that's it guys. I hope this video is useful for you. Do not forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you in another video.